You can train perfectly and eat perfectly, but chronic stress will still quietly eat your muscle. Cortisol is the thief in the night. You train like a machine but live in permanent deadline panic, emails, bills, group chats blowing up all day. Funny moment, you angrily slam a heavy set, then spend the next hour rage scrolling customer complaints, heart rate never dropping. Your body thinks a bear is chasing it constantly. Meanwhile, your biceps are being quietly disassembled for emergency fuel. Relax, or your gains become cortisol's lunch. The science is stark. Chronically elevated cortisol is catabolic. It breaks down muscle tissue to free amino acids for emergency energy. 2024 to 2025 stress physiology reviews confirm this directly opposes growth. High stress also blunts your anabolic response to training and wrecks sleep, compounding the loss, as 2024 strength and conditioning recovery reviews note. The fix is real: leisure time, daily walking, and simple breathwork lower cortisol and restore the environment your muscles need to grow. Round-the-clock stress keeps cortisol high and your body in a constant muscle-breaking state. Here's your plan. Step 1. Take a 10-minute walk or breathing session daily to actively pull cortisol down. Step 2. Protect one genuine leisure block each day with no screens and no work. Your nervous system needs it. Step 3. Stack your training with solid sleep and downtime, because recovery is exactly when stress hormones fall and growth hormones rise. Manage stress and you stop leaking the muscle you fought for. Myth: if you lift hard, stress can't stop your gains. Truth: chronic cortisol is catabolic and overrides training. It breaks muscle down faster than you build it. The 2024 to 2025 reviews are clear: manage your stress or watch your hard-earned tissue become emergency fuel. Today, chronic cortisol is catabolic and breaks muscle down. Stress also wrecks sleep and your anabolic response, and daily walks plus downtime fix it. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 21, we cover pre- and post-workout nutrition, what actually matters.